The Sup'Biotech Summer School International Program is designed for biotechnology students, international students mainly, because it is taught in English. Usually students come with a background of 2 or 3 years in this field of studies. During the 3 weeks program, students have to develop a new food or beverage concept. It has to be innovative, so it has to be new for the French market.
Our team made a kind of juice based on kombucha from the Chinese tea.
My team is developing a fermented tea drink made out of kombucha and beets. It has like probiotics, nitrates, and also caffeine. So it's like a sports drink, energy drink.
My group decided to create, for example, a veggie burger that is composed of quinoa, bulgur, and chickpeas. And this would be like an alternative for the vegetarian people to buy in the supermarket.
The first week, they have to come up with an idea and then do all the benchmarking for this product and do the mind mapping for the product they want to conceive. So the second week, they conceive the product with different formulation, and they actually have an actual testing with people coming to test their product and give their feedback on the product. And the third week of the program is dedicated to the presentation. So they will actually present their work in front of professionals and researchers, and they will receive a certificate for the 3 weeks program.
I chose to come to Sup'Biotech Summer School because I wanted to have more like a specialized idea of biotechnology, specializes in the fields of food technology, cosmetology, and agriculture. So I found that very interesting. And also to have, like an experience abroad. It's Paris in summer.
In Mexico, in Tecnológico Monterrey, we have a special concentration that is in research and development. So that's mainly why I chose Sup'Biotech. I need to course a number of subjects that I need to pass in order to get this concentration. And that's what Sup'Biotech brings to me.
I was studying in Korea about chemistry, and I thought these two fields are maybe directly or indirectly related to our chemistry-based knowledge. So I thought it could be very useful for
I learned a lot about food science. Maybe when I go back to Mexico, I don't want to focus only in cosmetics, and I want to develop food science products.
It is a very intense program. They usually go to classes about 45 hours in the 3 weeks time.
There have been a lot of activities: survival French, cosmetology, an introduction of food technologies as well.
On top of the program, we also visit companies and, for instance, food science company for this program.
It's a surprise. They're not telling us which company we're visiting. And we have more like cultural trips, like to Versailles.
To the Louvre, they go to Disneyland. They have many cultural activities, the fly boat. We take very good care of our students. Regarding the accommodation, every student is hosted in a host family, a French host family, downtown Paris.
My favorite moment was, I think, the lesson of survival French, because I knew how to say some words in French, and it was really fun learning. I mean, we had the class all together and we had to repeat everything, so I think that was pretty fun.